how I turned my mistake into one of my best pieces. Welcome back to another episode of jewelry making using the infinity block. I hope you enjoy this.
I put it really far.
Okay, actually, I don't like that at all. And in my correction, I messed it up. It tapers off. It's a little bit weak, whereas that is a lot sharper. So I'm going to make another pair using that. And with this, I'm going to make another pattern out of it. Need not worry, this does not go to waste. In a previous video, I had made a mistake in my stamping. In trying to fix it, I created a ghosting effect. It wasn't crisp and I didn't like it. Instead of trashing it, I decided I should run with it and let my creativity flow. So this is the video of my process and seeing what I can come up with. Look, I've just stamped. It was the wonky V. I've stamped all around it and I've come up with something different. I'm going to show you. This is so amazing. It's a lot of fun. It's therapeutic and you just never know what you will get if you relax and not think about things. It now looks like bird of paradise, a plant, or it could be a tree. I love it. Actually, I love this. I'm going to flatten it out and maybe add, well, if I was to oxidize it and then polish, you'll pick up on all the lines. But I think what I'm going to do is also use the marker and then you can see the results better. Okay. I'm going to just get more paper. Flatten it. Okay, now before I make it dark, I want to see if you can see. I love it. Okay, so it's all dark now. And then what we're going to do is relieve it. Okay. I love it. It looks like bird of paradise because of the V's not being completely flat. Now the question is, can I make another pair like this? Anyway, it's organic. Okay, I'm going to have a new piece of tape because all that hammering, it was getting gunky. And tape is so inexpensive. So I'm going to do that. And since I'm free-handing this, you know, it's quite all right. So I had sorry, I'm trying to replicate that wonky stick at the beginning, and then the inverted V's. Okay. And then similar. Again, embrace the organic. I love the process. It's therapeutic. So now I have 2 birds of paradise earrings. I love that. So, anytime you feel that things have not turned out the way you thought, planned, just go with it. That is the creative process, and it is sometimes the most rewarding. I hope you like these. You should always embrace your mistakes, because I was trying to make these earrings, and then I ended up making these earrings because I had made an error and I wanted to save, didn't want to throw out the earrings. So that's the way creative process goes. Which ones do you like better? And here is what the earring looks like when worn. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, please like and subscribe. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as the inventor of the infinity block. I'm going to leave more information below about our company, as well as the infinity block and the components I've used in this video.